The low-frequency function offers 12 modules and 30 preset programs. It helps promote blood circulation, relieve pain and inflammation, and stimulate neuromuscular activity. Before starting the training, let's set up the device first. First, place the host on a flat table. Next, take out the charging base, data cable, and the low-frequency small main unit. Insert the low-frequency host into the charging base. Align the white interface of the data cable with the white interface of the main unit. Align the gray interface of the data cable with the gray interface of the charging base. Press the power button to turn on the device. Now, we can start using the device. After entering the low-frequency interface, you will see that it consists of 3 main parts. The program name is displayed at the lower left corner. The program parameters at the lower right corner. In the lower left part, select the program to be used, and in the lower right part, select the number of low-frequency hosts. Click the OK button on the right to complete the settings. After clicking the lock button at the top to shut down the device, the program will not disappear. The program has been configured to the small host. Take out the low-frequency main unit and connect it to the electrode pads. Take out the low-frequency main unit and connect it to the adapter. Tap electrode's position to check the correct electrode pads placement for the selected program. Firstly, clean the skin with 75% medical alcohol. Next, place the electrode pads on the skin, according to the image displayed on the screen. When using electrode patches, make sure they are in close contact with the skin. Retain the transparent plastic protective film. After the training is completed, reattach the film to the electrode pads for proper storage. Press the start button to begin the treatment. During the treatment, you can adjust the intensity. After the training is completed, place the main unit back on the base and it will charge automatically. This device also supports creating custom programs. In the custom program interface, click the plus button to create a new program. On the parameters page, adjust the waveform, frequency, and other parameters to the desired values. After naming the program, click the confirm button to generate a new custom program. To run a custom program, click on the custom program you want to use. Select the required number of hosts on the right side, and click the OK button to complete the settings. The custom program has been imported. Tap the System Settings button in the top right corner to enter the settings page. You can adjust the screen brightness, default home page, set the default number of low-frequency small hosts, restore factory settings, and more. When you receive the device for the first time, the program name may not be displayed. Go to Program Management and select Notes. Restart the device. The program name will be displayed after the device is powered on. These are all the instructions for the Syrebo electrotherapy system. Thank you for watching.